I will tell you the story about that. There was one Rishi. He had 3 disciples, and that Rishi gave different works to different disciples. There was one Upamanyu, name of that disciple. Teacher gave him the work of grazing cows every day. Every day that student has to take cows and go for grazing. And every day that student had to report teacher and take his blessings and then go. One day what happened? That teacher saw the student and teacher said, "You are looking so healthy, what are you eating?" You see what teacher said? "You are looking so healthy, what are you eating?" Then student said, "I am eating whatever bhiksha I am getting." You know bhiksha how it is? You have to take that cloth and the can and you have to go for different houses. You bring the food and you eat. All of them they will sit together and they will eat. Like that, myself and Narayan sir, we have done that. We used to go minimum 100 houses every day, ask bhiksha, eat that bhiksha. The student said, "I am eating that bhiksha, because of that I am healthy." Teacher said, "You will not eat that bhiksha from tomorrow." Student said, "Okay." See now, teacher is pointing towards the physical appearance of student. Teacher is putting limitations on his food. What is the attitude of student? "I will not eat bhiksha." After 1 month, again teacher saw the student. Teacher said, "Still you are looking healthy. What are you eating?" He said, "I am eating second bhiksha now." What is second bhiksha? Every day I ask bhiksha, I give it to you, and again I will go to that house, again I will ask the bhiksha. Teacher said, "No, unnecessary, you cannot trouble grahastha house people, because already they are giving bhiksha, they themselves find difficulty giving bhiksha once, you are asking them bhiksha again, you are not going to eat second bhiksha also." Then after 1 month, student came, prostrated teacher, and the same thing teacher asked, "What are you eating? You are still looking healthy." He said, "I am not eating first bhiksha, second bhiksha, I am drinking the milk of cow." Teacher said, "You will not drink the milk of cow, because calf has right to drink that milk. You will not drink that." You see how many instructions after instructions coming, and what is the attitude of student, and how much teacher also have control over that student. He can easily give the orders. Teacher also doesn't hesitate to correct the student, and student also doesn't mind what teacher is saying to me. "I will not drink the milk." After 1 month, again student came, stand in front of teacher. He asked, "Still you are looking healthy, what are you eating?" Then he said, "When the calf drink the milk, whatever froth that comes, bubbles that comes, I drink, I have that only." Teacher said, "You will not have that." Like that, days were passing. Teacher obstructed him. "You will not eat anything, whatever I say." And one day he was grazing the cow. He was in the forest, and he felt very hungry. And out of that hunger, he ate some leaves. And the side effect of that leaf was he became blind. Because if the hunger is there, so much hunger, you don't know what to do. Somehow you have to get rid of that hunger. And he didn't come to ask. The Rishi said, "Where is that Upamanyu?" All the students said, "We don't know where is that Upamanyu." He said, "Let us go and look for him." And when he was blind, he fell into a well. The Rishi came, the teacher came, they took out that Upamanyu out of that well, and he asked, "What happened?" Then he narrated everything, these things happened. Then the teacher said, you pray to Ashwin Kumar, the God of doctors of God. You pray to them, they will give you sight, they will give you vision. And then he prayed Ashwin Kumar, and Ashwin Kumar appeared in front of him. Ashwin Kumar said, what happened? He narrated everything. Then they said, okay, here is the mixture of different leaves. We will give you, you drink that. And when it is presented to Upamanyu said, I am not going to eat. I am not going to have this medicine. They said, why? He said, my teacher didn't say me to have this medicine. Then Ashwin Kumar said, don't worry. Last time we gave one medicine to your teacher. He also didn't ask anybody's permission. He had it. You also have. Imagine if Vasant sir does something and somebody tells you Vasant sir has done this, you also do. You will accept. But that student said that even though my teacher had done this, I am not going to have it unless my teacher says. And then Ashwin Kumar was very pleased, very happy with the Upamanyu, and they said, whatever your teacher doesn't have, you will have that. What I want to communicate here, we should have student and teacher relationship like this. Teacher should not hesitate to give instructions, order to us, and we should not feel bad when teacher corrects us. So how many, it's a simple question, how many of us we want success in our life? Almost everybody wants success in our life. Remember, success is your shadow. Remember, success is your shadow. Don't try to embrace it. Just walk towards light, shadow will follow you. Just walk towards light, just walk towards knowledge, success will follow you, and that success will come when you listen to the instructions of teacher, when you don't hesitate, and when you excel in your life. So I wish here everybody be like Upamanyu, and then teacher also will help you when you are in. You see, Upamanyu was in dilemma. He lost his sight, vision. But teacher guided him. Like that, in any situation you are, teachers will guide you, and you will actually shine in CIS. Hari Om.